Well, good evening, everybody. Just after 10 o'clock on Wednesday night, I'm Intercounty Leader Editor Robert Taburn here with you, providing you one more update before we take a break for the overnight hours, getting you updated on everything. The snow is definitely flying. The wind is definitely a major factor. Take a look at some video we shot just moments ago that show all the snow that's blowing and accumulating right now, and this really isn't the worst of the bands. And we're back out here. Let me flip the camera around here real quick and kind of show you just how the snow is accumulating in Frederick, where we're at. And there we go, looking as you can kind of see, it's accumulating here, especially where the wind is blowing it. You can see definitely a good 6 inches or so on the ground. Kind of pan across. We're just outside our offices here in Frederick. We'll be spending the night here tonight. Not trying to go anywhere quickly on the roads. We just ventured over to Dollar General just a little bit ago. Kind of not very many people out. You're looking at Highway 35 there, just north of where 48 comes in. And as you can see, this hour of the night, there's not usually a lot of traffic anyway, but definitely everybody kind of staying in, sheltering where they are. And that's kind of what it looks like here. Do want to mention, we'll start out here before we get to some of the forecast, and do want to mention, as you look at that snow going pretty good right now. A lot of area school closures for Thursday. We'll go through the list here in alphabetical order as you watch the snow whip around there. And this is as of 10 o'clock p.m. So if you're watching this overnight or early Thursday morning, note this is the closure list as of when we're doing this update here just after 10 o'clock on Wednesday. So as of 10 o'clock Wednesday, here are the closings for tomorrow. Amory, Barron, Clayton, Clear Lake, Cumberland, Frederick, Grantsburg, the Polk County Early Learning Center, Shell Lake, Siren, St. Croix Falls, Unity, Webster. That's pretty much all the schools. The only one as of 10 o'clock we have not heard from either way at this point is Luck. So we presume that they'll make a decision in the morning. Again, just kind of watching the snow. It's getting pretty intense out here right now. Up to 35, 40 mile an hour winds are what's in the forecast, and we're looking at the flag the other side of the building. We're pretty darn close to that right now. Definitely getting in kind of the thick of the storm. As far as the announcement was made earlier, Polk County government buildings down near Balsam Lake also closed, and then the courts, they're still also going to make a decision on that as well. So courts pending, and then also waiting to hear back on Luck, which I presume they'll make some kind of decision. Taking a look now at the weather maps, we are looking at another 8 to 12 inches possibly. The heaviest bands look like they'll be setting up for maybe when you're getting up 5, 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Those heavy bands will be going. So winter storm warning is now in place for both Polk and Burnett counties, and that goes through noon for Polk and 6 p.m. tomorrow night for Burnett County. So we'll flip it back here a little bit, and again, it is snowing at a pretty good rate, pretty good clip. You can see some of it behind me. So definitely be an interesting night, and if we have any more updates, we'll post them overnight. If not, then early tomorrow morning. But again, we're going to be just hunkering down here at the Intercounty Leader building, And yeah, we're hoping that we have power and heat and all that good stuff, and then we'll bring you another update shortly, about 8-9 o'clock tomorrow morning, with everything. So I presume when we're going to get up in the morning, we're going to have all that snow. So if you have to go out overnight, please be careful. If you can stay inside, or even stay in your office, whatever you got to do to be in a safe, warm place tonight, that is super, super imperative, especially as the wind chills begin to drop. So for the Intercounty Leader, I'm Editor Robert Tabor down in the snowstorm. Hope you have a good night, and we'll see you back with another update tomorrow morning.